In this part 4, we are delving into the critical aspect of suturing, that is, the different types of suture needles. So, let's start first with parts of needle. So, ideally, there are three factors which decide about the quality of a needle, that is, the alloy, which is the material made of, the geometry of the tip, the body, and its coating. So, friend, this is a needle of number 5 ethibond. Ethibond, this suture is used in basically thoracotomy surgery, and we will be talking more. So, in future videos, so this is one of the thickest material available, number 5, made of polyester. So, the different parts of needle will be like the cord length is from the swage end, that is the suture end, to the tip, that is cord length. Needle radius is straight perpendicular distance, and needle length is basically total length of this curve. So if you see carefully on this leaflet of the needle, same needle which we have depicted here, so they are different characteristic, and they have given the length, that is 55 that is the total length of a shaft, and different characteristic, that it is a taper cut, the basically this triangle inside the circle is a triangle cut, and this body and needle point and swage end. So just this is for the introduction. We'll talk more as the discussion evolves. So friends, for all practical reasons, all needles are made of stainless steel. Basically, there are basically three types of shapes available. One is straight needle, one is circular or part of the circle, and another is J shape, that is ski needle. So, for all practical purpose, the straight needle is not used anymore. It is more of a historical significance only. And presently, we use circular needles only, and the circular needle can be half circle, 3/8 circle, basically 5/8 circle. So that depends how much part of circumference you are using. So basically, most curved needles that we use in general surgery or in GI surgery will be a half circle or 3/8 circle configuration. The bigger configuration like 5/8 are used basically in closed cavity, like in hemorrhoidectomy, in vaginal surgery, or in urogenital surgeries. Friends, you can pause the video here, and I have shared the link to this table. Is one good article I found over web. So you can basically go through all these things, how the different type of needles are used in which part of the basically surgical specialties. So like quarter circle, they are basically 1/4 circle. So they are basically used fine seizure like eyelid surgery, microsurgery. So in general surgery, as such, we use mainly half circle. So basically, they are thicker tissue, generally used like trunk, abdominal, muscle peritoneum. The J-shaped curve, J-shaped basically ski needles, they are more used in the laparoscopic surgery. So like this 60 needle, basically this fine needle. So the again just see, it is 3/8 circle. So the smaller circle is there. Only basically 3/8 circle, the length is there. The length is 8 and it's a round body. So basically you see there's a circle with a large dot inside. So it's a round body, the body, and the tip is blunt. So it is just for the demonstration for you guys that there are different aspect of needle, that smaller the needle, basically finer the suture material will it be. Like here we are using 60. Finer circle, basically 1/4 circle eye surgery, 3/8 half circle GI, urogenital, CBS, dura, eye and HPV surgery, 5/8 circle basically used in anal surgery like hemorrhoidectomy or vaginal surgery, urogenital surgery, where there is a lesser space to basically rotate the needle. Again, for historical aspect, there are different type of the eyes of the needle, like closed eye. There is a French eye. There is swased end. So, friends, for all practical purpose, in the present era, you will use only the swased end, where this thread is needled inside the shaft of the needle body. It is close-up view, and here you can see that swased end is basically narrower as compared to the body of the needle. So that is the whole purpose, that we want to, if we use a open eye, then this thread end will be broader, and it will cause more tissue trauma. So we want to keep the eye end to be narrow as much as possible. As I said, These Swaz needles are atraumatic and eyeless needles, lack a traditional needle eye. Instead, the suture material is directly attached to the needle, reducing tissue trauma and making them suitable for microsurgery and delicate procedures.